Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add and remove emojis from videos in CapCut PC. So add in your text here, and to add emojis you can copy and paste it, or you can just select this keyboard icon and add in emojis. I'm going to find like the monkey, whoops, wrong one. Can I search it? You know what, I'm just going to browse through it because I want to, and it's fine. Where's the monkey one? I want the monkey emoji, so it looks cute with it. You know what? Whatever. I'm just going to do this one, and like this one, and this one. I don't know. And for instance, I want to delete it. Just press just press backspace or delete on your keyboard, or go here and remove it. If it's like one with the video, you can basically copy and paste it. And then you can freeze frame it or just leave it. Go to video, go to mask, and select another part of the video that's the same color. Place it down here and kind of feather it out a little bit, not too much, that the emoji will show. And it will hopefully remove it. You can still see some of that if you want to just freeze frame it instead. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.